The open house sign-in form from Listings to Leads has been recently updated. I'm going to walk you through how to use it. How it works here is it'll be on a laptop, a tablet. There's also a print version, could be on your phone. People either scan the QR code or tap with their finger, and you're going to see here there's some questions, and these are all customizable completely. You can even set these at the account level. So if you've got a team account, an office account, or even your agent account, you can set these questions. You can set all the preferences at the account level so that every listing going forward is the exact way that you want it. Here, we're also giving away a PDF guide, which is really cool because the email that they're going to get as the autoresponder by default will have a link to the single property website, to the PDF guide, and a few other things that I will show you. So here that is already checked. Click submit. Now the form is going to reset automatically. The person that just filled it out will get this email here. And right from here, they can download the PDF guide, 6 things to check before buying a home. They'll just tap it on the phone. It's going to download. They've got access to the single property website, and you've got your Listings to Leads signature right there. Here's a guide. So they download it. Beautiful guide. Imagine they're going through the open house, reading this guide. What a great way to have even better engagement and better conversations with these people. Here's my single property website that you saw it linking to. This is the home value landing page. So if they're a neighbor, want to get a home value for their property, and my client review website, all automatically set up. Everything is good to go. If you want to get in here, access the open house sign-in forms, look at some of the customizations, go to listings. If you need help getting the listing into your account, let our support team know. To set the open house, all you do is come over to the far right. You'll see an icon here, add open house. All you have to do is just click it, set the date and time, add the open house. And once you see the open house right there, click the green market listing button and open house sign-in form right here. I can open it up right here. There it is. I've got a print version as well. I've got a QR code. All the leads I generate will drop right here, and they'll also go to my CRM if I've got that connected. They will be automatically added to whatever follow-up program that you've got or follow-up in Listings to Leads. Down here, you can see all the questions. So there's a few options right here. Notice the background. So if you want to make it darker or lighter, depending on the image that you're using. And do we want to show the questions first, or do we want to get their information first? You can toggle that right there. And then you can see here, I can add a new question. Types are short answer. That's going to be just one line. Paragraph is a text box. So there's a little bit more space for them to type in. Check boxes, radio buttons, drop down. So lots of great opportunities there. You can rearrange, you can turn them on and off, you can delete them. A lot of great customization, phenomenal ways to engage the visitors at your open house. And if you want to set any of this at the account level, just click right here, listing settings, and that'll take you right to the spot where you will need to be. Right here, you're going to see open house sign-in form, uncheck the global settings, make whatever edits you want to right here, then save it. And all of the open house sign-in forms are going to be dialed in and perfect for the way you want them. Now, the open house sign-in form is absolutely phenomenal, but make sure you click the open house overview and access the checklist. Here you'll see the download the checklist button. Click download the checklist, and make sure you're using all of the tools, the ads, the posts, the short form video script, the tools to the seller if you're the listing agent. This also works if you're borrowing the listing. What a great way to generate a lot of great leads. Make sure you're using the tools for your database. We've got the e-flyer, the call script, and the tool for the seller. And then also for the best seller leads, use the nearby homeowner letter for your farm and circle prospecting around that open house. There is a step-by-step guide right here, both video and written. And then if you haven't seen Open House Mastery, make sure you click on that right there. Access all the great information about how to actually conduct that open house, both prepare for the open house, to do the open house, to make sure you're generating the most buyer and seller leads as possible, and even engaging them as well. If you have any questions, please let us know. Go to listingstoleads.com/open house for more information. We'll talk to you soon.